Hi guys, it's Risa. How are you? Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm excited because I'm going to be teaching how to make delicious broccoli cheese tots, okay? Before I do, I just want to show you, I just made my delicious chocolate chip shortbread melt in your mouth cookies. OMG. Okay, I do have a Risa-fied version, which I will be making soon, but I just wanted to show you because these are amazing. Sometimes my husband and my daughter, or I give as gifts, or I bring to family or friends. So, you know, you don't have to eat them yourself. You can share because sharing is caring and great for celebrations. So today, this easy recipe, you're gonna love it. I have all my ingredients ready for you. I have my rock grill that is on a medium to high heat and I've sprayed it already. You can use any skillet. You can put them in your oven if you want. And bake them. I like them fried myself. And let's get started. I'll tell you the smart points if you're on WW, but anybody on any health journey, remember, can enjoy my videos. So please share them, all right? So what are you gonna need? Of course, for broccoli tots, hello, we're gonna need broccoli. So I'm just gonna show you, I just buy a big bag of broccoli and I just like my Cuisinart, okay? And you're just gonna pulse it and use your blade, okay? Really simple. I like fresh broccoli. I've never made it with frozen. You can find it already in your grocery store in the refrigerator section, but I don't think I would use frozen broccoli because it might be too watery, okay? So I recommend fresh broccoli. Honestly, it takes 2 seconds and you can see that I've already pulsed it and here it is, okay? And it's 3 cups worth and really super fast and easy. All right, so what are the other ingredients? Okay, we're gonna use 2 large or extra large eggs that I'm just gonna whisk. And what I love is everything goes and is dumped into one bowl. I have 4 tablespoons of grated Romano cheese, and you know, you can use Asiago, Parmesan, mozzarella, a blend of cheeses, whatever you want. So mine for 4 tablespoons is 2 smart points, okay? So we're just gonna add that. If you're on the blue program, then you're not counting the eggs, but if you're on the green program, you're counting the eggs. If you want to get away with not having to count them, for you green people on WW Wellness that works, then get the egg substitute or egg creations, a 1/4 cup, 0 smart points. I have about 3 tablespoons of some raw onion. I like Vidalia onion. It gives a good flavor. You want a little bit more, a little bit less, and I just put it through my processor, and I'm just gonna add some onion because I like onion. That gives it really good flavor. So on here, I have a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and I love the roasted garlic and pepper seasoning by Clubhouse, yes. And you can get that at Costco or in Walmart, anything. And again, if you don't have the exact seasonings that I have, you know my recipes are versatile, right? My dress is driving me crazy today. Okay, and I like a little bit of Worcester, so just gonna add about a teaspoon or so. I love Worcester, and I love some chipotle hot sauce. And if you want to use some Frank's hot sauce or a few chili flakes or not, I'm just going to put a little bit in, probably about a 1/4 teaspoon. And then I'm just going to mix all my wet-ish and spices up first. And I'm going to add my broccoli. Okay, you're going to see how fast this recipe really is. And then I have a 1/4 cup of flour. And I just use the Brody's, and it's self-rising, but you know, it doesn't matter. A 1/4 cup on WW is 3 smart points. So for you on purple and blue, it's 5 smart points for the whole recipe. Again, depending if you want to add more cheese, you can add more cheese. All right. I don't like to tell people what to do because my recipes are versatile. And then of course a little bit of some salt. Sometimes I use sea salt, sometimes I use pink Himalayan salt, and some pepper, all right? Just sprinkle some in a little bit. Again, you like fresh garlic, you can use fresh garlic. You know, this is just a base, and I like to tell people, you know, if they want to add other spices, you want to use some paprika, smoked paprika, you know, taco seasoning. Like, honestly, play around and see what you like. The other day I used Asiago cheese. Today I'm using Romano. You know, whatever you have in your house. If I didn't have that, I'd probably use some mozzarella. And this is a great side dish, or you can have it as an appetizer if you have friends coming over. And it makes about 24 tots, okay? So now we're gonna move over here, and I'm just gonna come closer. Hi, how are you? Just bring it over to my stove. And now I'm just gonna take my hand, and I'm just going to, so you can see it's hot. You want the skillet to be hot. And I just form them. You can hear the sizzle and make them into little tots. Now, if you have like one of those air fryers or a convection oven, but again, I like just making them right on my rock grill, and I have it nicely oiled with my olive oil spray, and they don't take very long to make. I'm not going to make all of them right now. I made about 24, and I'm just going to bring it up to show you that that's how I formed them, sort of into like a rectangle shape. And then I just let them cook for about a few minutes. This dress, it's making me crazy. All right, so you let it just cook on a medium heat, medium to high heat. And I just, I always just let it just sit for a while. And sometimes I just spray a little bit more olive oil on top. And it doesn't take maybe a couple of minutes on either side. I take like a small spatula, and I just will, you can feel it if it doesn't fall apart, and you can turn it over. And I'm just gonna show you that in a few seconds, it browns, but I like to cook it longer. I like it to sit. And if you have a spatula, that helps to shape them. Now, of course, if you don't want them that shape, you want them round, you know it's versatile. So I just want to show you, I was at the dollar store and I bought these cute little tins, and I put just some paper in it. And dun, da, da, da. Of course, I keep them already made in a container, okay? But they don't usually last, especially if I have company. So you can serve them just like this, or put them in a cute little container like this, which looks like so much fun, you know, and you can give them so individual portions, and put them on your table like this. How cute is that? Now, if you want to just eat them like this, I'm just going to check right now because I think I need to turn it over. Okay. Yeah. You can feel that they're crispy on one side. They get nice and crispy on one side, on both, and then you want it crispy on both sides, all right? And you want them to cook. So don't put them on a high setting because you want them to cook through. And you can eat them just like this. If you want to use one of my marinaras to dip them, or a dill dip, or a Caesar dip, or a sour cream dip, hell of a good dip. I love them just like this. They make a great, like I said, an hors d'oeuvre, an appetizer, or, you know, a side dish for yourself, for company. And then they're even delicious cold, okay? I love them. So hot, cold, whatever. You want to reheat them, I would put them in the oven. But I'm telling you, you're going to love them. Super easy. I already think these are ready. Yep. Just gonna show you that it's already ready, like a couple minutes on either side, and I'm gonna do the rest after the video. So tell me what you think. Oh my goodness, time for a new dress. I have to get it fixed. And please share, because sharing is caring, with anybody on a health journey. And honestly, it's low points. So again, let's figure this out. For the purple and the blue, it's 5 smart points for 24 pieces. Not bad if you want to eat the whole thing, but it's a lot. And then for the green, you add 4 more points, so 9 points for the whole thing, unless you use egg substitute. All right, bye for now. Love you guys. Take care. Doesn't want to turn off, so I'm going to turn it off manually. Mwah. Bye.